Show me forever. Show me forever. From the first day that you held my hand, I could almost see our future plans. I pictured vows beneath an open sky. You by my side for all my life. I gave my heart without holding back. Believed our love was built to last. But every time we're moving close, your actions leave me standing on my own.
Words are easy, promises are free, but forever is more than what you say to me.
I want to give you my forever. I want to wear your name with pride. But every dream we're building together
Get shaken by the choices in your life.
Should I keep believing? Should I stay and wait? How can I be certain
That this love won't fade.
if you really see a future?
Then don't just tell me.
Show me before I give you all my heart.
You need to prove you're the one for me.
Some days I feel I'm second place, behind the things you always chase. I'm asking for your time, your truth, not just the parts that are convenient to you. Love is more than late night calls or saying sorry after every fall. It's choosing someone every day, even when the easy road pulls you away.
I don't need perfection in your soul. I just need to know I'll always have a home.
I want to give you my forever. I want to wear your name with pride. But every dream we're building together
Get shaken by the choices in your life.
should I keep believing?
Should I stay and wait?
How can I be certain
That this love won't fade.
if you really see a future?
Then don't just tell me.
Show me before I give you all my heart.
You need to prove you're the one for me.
Love is patient, love is brave, but it shouldn't leave me questioning every day.